guys, it's Maeve from Maeve's Method. Spring is here and today we're going to talk about easy spring cleaning tips for your closet. So this is my closet. I have my active clothes, 2 alpha drawers, 2 alpha shelves, my hamper, and up here, a space for linens and all of my off-season clothes. What tends to happen to me at this time of the year is I'll go into the closet to get dressed in the morning and I'll come across a top or two that I just know I'm not going to be able to wear anymore. Like this one. So I'll pull it from my closet. But the catch is I'm getting ready for work, so I don't have time to tuck it away. What I'll do is I'll tuck it up and away and put it in the direction of its off-season home. As you can see, I already have a shirt up here from earlier in the week. Now this space doesn't hold a lot, so I have another area down here that I use a lot. The other spot is down here. This is another off-season tub, and there's this quirky little space under my hamper, which I normally like to keep clean, but at this time of the year, it's a perfect place for transitional clothes. You can see I already have a couple of things down there, including this winter wool sweater and these winter leg warmers. What I love most about this system is that during these early weeks of spring, when the weather's still all over the place, my warm winter clothes are still close by in case I need them. When it does come time to rotate your wardrobe, you'll take your summer clothes down out of storage and rotate them into your active space. It's all done. When you do get everything back on hangers, here's my pro tip. Use matching hangers. Mismatched hangers cause clothes to hang at different angles and to bunch up. And if you have a skinny one in between wide ones, it's really hard to see the clothes that are on the skinny hangers. It just kind of makes a mess. Hangers are pretty inexpensive these days, so do yourself a favor and swap them out. Now my final tip is something that I love to do. Most of the time when we reach for an item of clothing, we kind of yank it off the hanger, leaving a hanger swinging behind, but more importantly, leaving an empty hanger in our active clothing space. Instead, take the hanger and clothes down at the same time, and as the hanger comes off, put it immediately in an empty hanger zone. I love having an empty hanger zone. It makes it super easy to find a hanger late at night when I'm tired and need to put something away, and it makes your closet look beautiful because all your active clothes hang nice and evenly with no empty hanger gaps. I need to rotate my winter clothes up there, but for now I'm done. Visit maevesmethod.com or our Facebook page for more spring cleaning and home organization tips. I hope you enjoyed these spring cleaning tips. Let me know in the comments below. Thanks!